Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hello, and thank you for your interest in our Skoda KAROQ, the 1.5 SEL. The SEL very much the popular trim level in the KAROQ because of all the extras, including front and rear sensors, rear view camera, half leather and Alcantara seats, and satellite navigation. This particular one is business grey. Inside the car, really good space in the boot. Skoda do make very practical cars, and there you get a glimpse of the Variaflex folding seats. This is a view of one of the seats in the folded position. You can also release those red levers and take them all the way out of the car. You can do this with all three seats. From the driver's side here you can see the half leather and Alcantara seats that are standard on the SEL. Automatic lights, keyless start and entry. I'll just start the car. This particular one's just done 7,877 miles as we stand. Satellite navigation, smart link via the app, dual zone air conditioning, DAB radio, 6-speed manual gearbox. So there you go, you can hear the car is very quiet as well. It's turning over in the background there. So I do hope you inquire for more information. Ring us on 020 8686 8844 or email us for more information. Thank you.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.